Hello everybody, my name is Michael Goni from Standard Cycle Company in Berkeley Heights, New Jersey. I've been working with Dynojet. They've been kind enough to help me out and get CAN integration with Maxxecu and Dynojet's line of dynos, both inertia and load control, with the DynowareRT stack and WinPep 8 software. They've been working with me on beta, and now it's publicly available. So, what does that mean? It means that you can actually, while doing a dyno run, sampling for horsepower and torque, you can also sample at that same time various Maxxecu CAN channels. This is what you would normally see right here, depending on your Dynojet package, whether or not you have a wideband module or various other Dynojet CAN systems like their PowerVision. You can see here with the MTune software properly configured and the Maxxecu CAN connected into the DynowareRT. You can actually start sampling data. So here you have analog 1 through 4, the various EGT if you're working with a race or a pro, your various fuel CAN channels, along with other pertinent information. What does that mean? It means that you can see a direct cause and effect relationship between horsepower and torque output and your various tuning areas when calibrating an ECU. So in this case, I won't be showing horsepower or torque, but this is an example of what I was using it just recently in dialing in torque management or power management for drag racing use. Here you can, I did this in various steps to understand what total timing will do for exact horsepower and torque. So here you have 30 degrees total timing versus 19.92, and in doing that, depending on the RPM that you're using it in, you can get a better idea what power is actually getting down to the ground, and see what the bare minimum total timing you need for the motor to run smoothly, and what increments will do, and then at the track you can make an educated decision as to how you want to put power down. This will also work great with boost, with nitrous, among other things. So you might find it helpful. I surely have. So that'll take care of the dyno stuff, what it's for. As far as what you physically need to do, this is a picture of the DynoWare stack. This section A would be the CAN connection. This shows a Dynojet CAN cable, and in my case I took a spare cable that I had and I re-terminated the other end to fit the wiring that I did on my customer's vehicle. All you really need to know is that the pin location, this pin right here, leftmost on the stack, would be CAN high, rightmost would be CAN low. So as long as you, if you were to make the cable, as long as you keep that in mind, or even if you re-terminate and recycle a Dynojet CAN cable, as long as you keep those pins in mind and connect it to the appropriate pins to the ECU, you'll be in good shape. With that being said, I will splice in a video of everything live and operational. Like I said, with an AIM Strata dash, communicating via CAN to the Maxxecu, along with